Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. First, you have to open the Instagram app. Then, on the bottom panel, you will see search icon. Tap on it. Tap on the search bar. Here, you can see the search history. If you only want to delete some of your histories, you can just tap on the X button on the side. If not, you can just tap on See All options. Now you have to tap on Clear All option that is in blue font to delete all the histories. Tap on Clear All to confirm it. Here you go. Now the search is deleted. That's it for my video today. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in my next video.